Welcome to the Simon FX. I hope you are doing well. This video, I'm going to do some top 2 analysis for the dollar index, and I'm going to check the season tendency for the dollar index, commitment of traders for the dollar index, and interest rate for the dollar index and EURUSD, and PDRA matrix for the dollar index, and finally, I'm going to check the intermarket analysis for the dollar index also. Okay, and finally, in this video, end of the video, I will show you where is next strong liquidity for the dollar index, EURUSD, EBSD also. Okay, let's see guys, this is the dollar index daily chart. As I told you, first of all, I'm going to check the seasonal tendency for the dollar index. Okay, see guys, this is the dollar index seasonal tendency. Now this is August month. There is no clear trend, as you can see this vertical line to this vertical line. This August month seasonal tendency, there is no clear trend, so I am going to move to this uh, commitment of traders for the dollar index. Okay, see guys, this is the barchart.com, and this is the weekly chart for the dollar index. Okay, and you can find this chart from the barchart.com. Okay, and I told you in last video for the on the dollar index, uh, as I told you, price clearly come to this level and touch this level, and price started to move higher. Okay, if you see in my last video for the dollar index. Okay, this is the video. Yes, 2 weeks ago I posted this video. You can see what I told on that video. And the video I told you guys, price will come to this level and price will respect this discount PDRA. Okay, as I told you, price comes to this level and touch this level, clearly start to move higher. Okay, same time, as I told you, this is our next round liquidity for the short term on that before the 2 week ago. Okay, now as I told you, price came to this level and price started to move higher. Okay, and this is a short time high, this is the next round liquidity. Okay, and for the dollar index, COT for the dollar index is still is bullish. Okay, price still is COT still is below the zero line. This is long term is still is bullish. Okay, COT also suggests for the long term dollar index for it is suggest to be bullish. Okay, and if you check in interest rate for the dollar index, okay, it's a forex.factory.com. You can see central bank rates on this website. And for guys, this is a USD interest rate 2.50. Okay, and euro interest rate is 0.50. Okay, compare than euro, USD is strong. You know, euro USD is 2.50 percentage positive. So USD is strong, euro is weak. So USD will move higher, euro will move lower. Okay, USD is strong, euro is weak. Okay, and CS is not supporting the USD dollar index, and commitment of traders suggest for long term is bullish for the dollar index, and interest rate also suggest to be bullish for the dollar index. And if you check in intermarket analysis also, since this is the now I'm going to check the intermarket analysis for the dollar index also. Okay, I'm going to move to this monthly chart for the dollar index. Okay, wait a minute, guys. This is the monthly chart for the dollar index. Okay, now you can see this last candle is the this month candle, August month candle. This candle low is break previous month low. Okay, see guys, break previous month low. The same time you see in Euro USD, as you know, price should break in Euro USD to this month high should break previous month high. Okay, but see guys, wait a minute. In this Euro USD, this month candle high doesn't break previous month high. Okay, that means intermarket analysis happen on between these Euro USD and dollar index. Okay, so this is a SMT divergence. Okay, so now season tendency doesn't support this dollar index for the bullish, but COT supporting the dollar index to be bullish, and intermarket analysis sorry, interest rate also supporting the price to be bullish, and intermarket analysis also supporting the price to be bullish. Okay, same time, uh, guys, you seen weekly chart price clearly PDR metrics also suggest to be bullish. Since price higher come to this bullish order block and bullish breaker level, and price order to move higher. Okay, PDR metrics also suggest to be bullish. Price is high time frame, price is in still in bullish, which is not a flow also is bullish. Okay, so many characteristics supporting the dollar index for to be bullish. Okay, so at the same time I will show you in daily chart. See guys, it's the daily chart for the dollar index is my concern. See guys, and this is the some divergence with the Euro USD. Now we have a breakdown structure, and this is the short term high. This is our next round liquidity. Okay. At the same time, what is this, guys? What do you see now? This in the short says market makers buy model. Okay. So was a consolidation high. Smart money reversal happened in this level, and price move higher. Breakdown structure, and this is the smart money accumulation level one. Now we can see, you can we have to wait market makers to reaccumulate the second level of accumulation in this level. Why this level? Wait, I will show you. So this current high and this current low or imbalance level, that is CB, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency filled with this one single candle. Okay, so now this level is called as a BPR range. Okay, what is that? Balanced price range. Okay, right? Balanced price range. Okay, this kind of low and this kind of high is a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency filled with one singular candle with a large body of candle by bullish candle. Now this imbalance level we can call as a balanced price range. Okay, so we can expect second level of reaccumulation maybe happen in this level, and after price come to this level, we expect price maybe clear this buy side liquidity. Okay, this is my own expectation. Okay, I follow the ICT concepts. Okay, I told you these all concepts by using ICT concepts. Okay, so our balance price range, I expect next week candle maybe open at this level and move lower, that is accumulation manipulation to the downside, distribution to the upside. That is only I expect for coming week for the dollar index. Okay, let's see guys, and I'm going to, if you see in calendar news for the coming week, see guys, there are so many. uh, Wait a minute, I will show you five filtering euro, euro GB and USD high impact and medium impact niches only. Okay, apply filter. Wait a minute, see guys, there are so many high impact and medium impact news on euro GB and USD over the coming weeks. So we can expect so many volatilities in this week. Okay, so this is my expectation for the dollar index. Okay, and as I told you in this beginning of the video, I will show you. I told you I will show you as a euro USD next round liquidity and dollar GBUSD also. Let's move on to this euro USD also. Okay, so yes, this is the some divergence between uh, what is that, dollar index and euro USD. Okay, at the same time, this break market structure, this is making sure. Okay, anything, and now this imbalance. Okay, discount level imbalance. This level as a BPO range. Okay, it is the BPO range. Okay, so same time, and in euro USD price plays market makers sell model. Okay, so it's a smart money reversal accumulation, so we can expect reaccumulation on this level. Our next round liquidity is the short term low. Okay, so next down liquidity for the euro USD. Okay, this sell side liquidity. Okay, so okay, this is our next round liquidity for the euro USD. And if you check in GBUSD, that is same market maker sell mode is playing. Okay, so guys, wow, yes, as I expected, price filled this imbalance. Algo will revisit with body of candle as I already mentioned that level. Now you can see body of candle expecting filled this level. Yes, business is done, government work is done, but still, dollar index will move higher, so we can expect and GBST also price come to this level. Okay, this is price break previous month high. Is SMT between Euro USD and GBUSD because of Euro USD doesn't break previous month high. If you check in monthly chart, GBUSD break previous month high. Okay, but Euro USD doesn't break previous month high. That is the intermarket analysis, that is isometric divergence between Euro USD and GBUSD. Okay, that is what I mentioned in daily chart. Yes, 6 month high is break, isometric divergence between GBUSD and Euro USD, and that is smart money accumulated there by orders above this previous month high, and smart money reversal. Wait a minute, that is smart money reversal, move lower accumulation and distribution. We can expect another reaccumulation in this. Now this level called as what is that as, what is that, this is BPR range again. Okay, and wait a minute, I will, okay, now we can expect price to come to this level coming week. Reaccumulation, that is second level of redistribution, sorry, yes, redistribution maybe we can expect in this level, and price maybe will move lower. Okay, same time we have this, what is it guys, this is rounded number. Okay, it is big figure, I will show you. We have the big figure level also. Okay, wait, 1.19000 level. Okay, that is 00 level. Can expect maybe they will accumulate, reaccumulate the sell orders in this level. Okay, but my suggestion price will come to this level. What is that? That is your next round liquidity. Okay, that's all guys about the dollar index top analysis, and next round liquidity for the dollar index also. CIS and Euro USD next round liquidity also for me this level, and GBBUSD. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, guys. 1 minute. Can't skip this video for 20 seconds. Okay. Yes. So for GBUSD, this is my next round liquidity. Okay. It's very simple. I follow ICT concepts, so I share what I learn. Okay. And I hope you guys this video will help you in your trading journey. If you have a doubt, please use the comment section and share this video who are struggling in forex trading. If you enjoy this video, please like the buttons, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe the button and subscribe my channel. That will encourage me to share more ICT concepts